Today I would like to show you how you can transfer your ChatGPT data to Claude without losing anything, including your memory, instructions, projects, custom GPTs, and PDFs and images. We'll be using 3 methods from the simplest to more manual and advanced method. I've also done this if you want to transfer your ChatGPT data to Claude, so please check out that video. First of all, what you need to do in ChatGPT is go to your profile and click on settings and go to data controls here and make sure to scroll down until you see the export data button. So every time you want to transfer to another AI, make sure you get all your data out of ChatGPT first, or at least just a backup. Unfortunately, if you're in the team or enterprise account version of ChatGPT, you do not have this export data. So you need to use different methods that I'll be talking later in this video. So just click on export and it will send you a verification email, and you just need to verify your email and then click on confirm export again once you verify, because it might take a few tries for it to register that you actually want to export. It is some sort of a bug. So make sure to keep trying until you see the correct email. It might take 24 or 48 hours for it to be ready. So keep an eye on the email and download it as soon as it's ready. The first method is really simple. You just go to gemini.google.com where you want to transfer your data. Go to the bottom left corner where you will see a small little settings icon. Just click on it and then you can see import memory to Gemini. So click on it and here you have it. Or I will link on the description down below. So basically, it just wants you to copy this prompt so that you can paste it into ChatGPT and you can just paste the response it came out with. So if I go back to ChatGPT, just go to a new chat and just copy and paste the Google Gemini prompt we have here. So just send prompt. So once you have that, you can just directly copy the results and then paste it the response here and just click on add memory. It will just have a simple prompt to show you that it has already remembered whatever information they have about you. Let's go back to the same page, import memory to Gemini. Remember the exported ChatGPT data that you just did. So this is the ChatGPT files that you have, and you have this chat.html, which is really important because it contains all your conversations with ChatGPT, but without any order, it's just text. So I have 70 megabytes, so it's about 7 million words. It's a lot. But the great thing about Google Gemini is that you can just import the entire zip file. So just click add. So just find your ChatGPT zip file and then but remember that your imported and chats are saved in your activity. And this data is used to improve our services, including training generative AI models. So you need to be aware that all your data is going to be transferred to Google's LLM to be trained. Yeah, that's the only thing. That's why I didn't import my entire chat. I just import what I need. The second method is to use a more advanced prompt, which I will link down in the description as well. Basically, this prompt will try to dig out as much information as possible from your chat conversations and chat history and output everything they know about you. It is a very long output, so it's really detailed, and as you can see, this is the prompt. Basically just act as a personal conversation archivist, and it will basically force ChatGPT to reveal all your past conversations and any contacts or memories, instructions, and just output. And the results is really good. It is really long and very detailed. You can just review all the information and just copy and paste whatever you want into the memory of Gemini. So if you want to transfer your projects, if you have a few projects that you want to transfer with their instructions and also the PDFs or images, unfortunately for the third method, you need to do it more manual work. So we just go to the folder that we want to transfer. For example, my health folder here, and I'm going to again paste it this prompt that is specifically extracting the data from your project folder. I'm also going to link down in description, and it's basically act as an AI system architect, and I want to migrate this project to my Google Gemini, and Google Gemini's project folder is called new notebook. So this notebook acts the same way as your project. So basically I'm just gonna name this, and here you are. You can add your sources or your files that you uploaded from in ChatGPT and you can just add it here. You can also add more things like add websites, and it's a really useful and powerful tool. If you want to add in custom instructions that you have for your folder, just go to the top right hand corner at the 3 dots button. Just go to notebook settings and you can click whether you want to use the memory and also give the instructions to this Gemini notebook. As you can see, it outputs the project instructions, so you can just copy and paste the entire information into notebook memory. And the great thing about NotebookLM is that it has a really high context window limit. It can remember more context about you, much higher than Claude or ChatGPT. So that's one of the great advantage of it. Next, if you have any custom GPTs, you can also import it into Google Gemini, but it's called a different thing. In Google Gemini, it's called Google Germs. So you just go to your settings at the bottom left corner and then just click on it and you can see germs here. What you gotta do is just scroll down until you see add new germ. So just click on new germ. So this is basically your custom GPT instructions. So you can just go back to your custom GPT, edit GPT, and just simply copy and paste everything from here to your gem. And it's basically really similar to ChatGPT where you can test it out and refine it. And it's exactly the same as custom GPT where you can just talk to your gem via this chat box. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any other questions, make sure to comment down below and I'll try to help you. If not, feel free to paste your prompts that you use that successfully migrates your entire workspace from ChatGPT to Google Gemini. Like and subscribe if you find this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.